In Java, there is a concept of abstract classes, as it is mandatory to inherit from these classes since the object of these classes can't be instantiated. And on the other hand, there is a concept of final class, as it is mandatory to, as any other class can't inherit or extend the final class. But what if we want to restrict the other classes to inherit a particular class? So the answer is shield class. Good morning to you all. I am Sunidhi Ranjan, student of BCA Batch 1 5th Sem, and today I am standing in front of you with a concept of shield class in Java. So let's get started. So what we are going to see? We are going to see the introduction, declaration, subclasses types, benefit restriction, and the conclusion. So what does it mean by shield class? So shield class is a feature of object-oriented programming that is used to restrict the inheritance. It was a preview feature in Java 15, but it became a permanent feature in Java 17. They provide a way to restrict which classes can inherit from a particular class, offering more control over the inheritance hierarchy. And this feature is useful for domain modeling and enhancing the security of libraries. Now we will see the declaration part. So here, the most important thing is that to declare a shield class, we can use the shield modifier along with the permit clause to specify the allowed subclasses. What does it mean by shield modifier? So it marks the class shield. Means if we are creating any class with shield modifier, it will only allow some classes with using the permit clause so that those classes can inherit the shield class. Permit clause lists the specific subclasses that are allowed to extend this shield class. Here we can see the syntax. Here I have created a shape class that with that I have used shield modifier that is permitting circle, rectangle and triangle class. Now only circle, rectangle and triangle class can inherit the feature of shape class. Now what are the types of subclasses? So there are three basically types of subclasses: shield, non-shield and final. Shield that restricts inheritance further, means if we are creating a shield class and that is permitting subclass, only those class can inherit the feature of shield class. Non-shield class allow unrestricted inheritance, means any class can inherit the feature of non-shield class. And the last one is final class. There is no further inheritance, means these classes that are declared with final can't be extended or inherited. Now we will see it with the help of code. So here what are we gonna see? Here I have created a class named vehicle class, and that is permitting Tata, Toyota and Mahindra. Here I have created main function and written inside main function of vehicle class. Now what here will be done? Here I have created vehicle class that is shield, means it is giving permits only to Tata, Toyota and Mahindra class, means only these three classes can inherit the features of vehicle class. After that I have created shield class Tata that is extending permits Nano and Indica. Here the Tata class I have created in the vehicle class and that is extending So let's understand with the help of code. Here I have created a class named vehicle that I have used the shield, and after that it is giving permits to Tata, Toyota and Mahindra. Here because I have created vehicle class that we using shield, so only it is giving permits to Tata, Toyota and Mahindra, so only these three class can extend the feature of vehicle class. After that I have created the main function and in which I have written inside main function of vehicle class. After that I have created a class that is Tata that is extending vehicles, means shield class. Here I have created vehicle only giving permit to Tata, Toyota and Mahindra, so Tata here is extending vehicle class, and here Tata is giving permits to Nano and Indica. And here again I have used final class Nano that extend Tata. Here I have created Nano class as final, so any other class can't inherit or extend Nano class. So here I have written extend Tata. After that once again I have created final class Indica that is extending Tata. After that there is a non-shield class. Here we can see non-shield class Mahindra is extending vehicles. Non-shield class means Mahindra class any other class can extend the feature of Mahindra class. So here I have created the constructor. This is constructor of Mahindra class. And if non-shield class, then the class can be inherited in any other class, like class Scorpio that is extending Mahindra. So if we let's see what is going to be the output. So here we are not getting output because we have not entered such information in that. So here if our code is right, then there will be no error. So let's see that. So here I am opening the command prompt. Here I have opened the command prompt. I am writing Java C class name dot Java. So here I am going to compile. So it is compiled successfully. Now I am writing Java and class name. So here we can see what we have written inside the main function, of vehicle class. Now it was about the code. Now there are some more details that is about it. Now we will see the benefits of shield class, and as it provides many types of benefits such as it control extendability, enhance readability and maintainability, it have exhaustive pattern matching, it provides better encapsulation, provides security and optimization opportunity provide to us, but it have some restriction also. What are these? So here it have explicit permission for subclasses, and all subclasses must have a modifier, whether it would be shield, non-shield or final. Package or model boundaries it reduce flexibility, increase maintenance complexity and compatibility issues. Now we will turn to the conclusion part. So what we have learned all this? So we have learned that shield class is a feature of object-oriented programming that is used to restrict the inheritance of a class. It was a preview feature in Java 15 but became a permanent feature in Java 17. This concept is particularly useful for designing purpose where you want to limit how a class is extended to ensure consistent behavior and avoid misuse, and it ensures that certain parts of a system remain robust, predictable and maintainable. So it was all about the amazing feature of shield class in Java. That's all. Thank you.